Use your hurt and pain as a springboard to understand the in-depth parts of yourself that can stimulate inspiration. That's exactly why feeling good is the work. It is the manipulation of your vibration at any given time because you're conscious, aware of your current state and feelings.
Message. Wake up!
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
This freedom, this happiness is where you want to be. That's step one. Know who else has this happiness? I definitely do. Y'all heard me giggle all the way through my motherfucking metaphysical exploitation moments. There's not a time I wasn't laughing. But wait a minute. Did you see that with Bobby Hemmett too? Maybe you need to understand it's a trend. It's a trend. Maybe you understand that's something that means something. So when I see it in this brother here, oh nigga, you found the kingdom. The kingdom is in your heart. And you got it. First, when you enter the kingdom, that's when you become magical. The magic's in your heart. Nigga, you fucking coin. The magic was in your heart when you was a kid. You did it pure of heart.
Yes.
Oh, y'all niggas got to know. This is the most basic of it. I can hear the magician in this brother. That work you doing is serious shit. Serious shit. Brother. That's a we shall overcome shit you got going over there. Them heads.
What up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. The art of gratitude. The science of being thankful. Science of being thankful. Giving thanks. Expressing gratitude. What is that? Why do I have to be thankful? I'm stuck and trapped in this prison called Earth. Someone get me out of here. When you're thankful of what you have and appreciative for the situation you're in a direct vibration of feeling good. And if you're trying to manifest, you want to be in a feeling good zone majority of the time. Like attracts like. Like attracts like. Like attracts like. If I'm trying to manifest something down to this physical earth plane that's going to make me feel good, because you ain't trying to manifest nothing that's going to hurt you. You want to put yourself in the direct alignment of feeling good, feeling great. Giving thanks is just slowing down and noticing how powerful you are. I don't care if you're staying in a cardboard box. For the mere fact you can hear this message and able to understand the power of magic, is good enough to be thankful. Being appreciative of what you have and who you are. A lot of times, we always think the grass is greener on the other side. We can't stop and smell our own roses. We've been tricked into this social media thing and watching other people's lives with these reality shows and glamour shot Instagram posts. When you're feeling good and in high vibrational spirits, time doesn't exist. The idea is to be out the circle of time, right? And have your vibrations in check all the time.
Knock, knock!
Now, this doesn't mean you're never going to get angry, bored, sad, envious, or any of these low vibrational emotions. What it does mean is feeling good is the work. And when you're in a constant state of high vibrational energy or changing your emotions in the present now, you're actually in alignment of your now. Noticing and realizing how you're feeling in any given moment and changing that frequency in the now. Observing ego. When you observe ego, you're able to step outside of your current situation and look at yourself, your emotions, and how you're feeling. Then you're able to manipulate that feeling with a good feeling response. Then you're able to manipulate that feeling with a good feeling response. Then you're able to manipulate that feeling with a good feeling response. See, a lot of people think when you're angry, you can't do nothing and have to stay in that state. But in all actuality, you can be angry and use that anger as fuel to move into something positive. Use your hurt and pain as a springboard to understand the in-depth parts of yourself that can stimulate inspiration. That's exactly why feeling good is the work. It is the manipulation of your vibration at any given time because you're conscious, aware of your current state and feelings.
Message.
Propelling you to step outside of the circle of time and really truly realize time doesn't exist. Time flies when you're having fun. Well, yeah, time flies when you're in the vibration, the feeling of, this is an adventure for me. Knowing and propelling yourself to an unconditional love vibration and making the best out of your situation because it's not real. The pain, the happiness, the hurt, the laughter is all a choice and something we have the power to manipulate and recognize at its magnified point. Being thankful for who you are and for what you have manifested so far in this journey is the most important part of a chaos being. Realizing what this is and knowing you have a mission to complete is true love for self. Moving outside the circle of time, remember? There is no seconds, and realizing this earth is second to the first mind, where past, present, and future exist simultaneously, you know that your vibration comes first, and the seconds or the physical reality will come into play. Show yourself some gratitude. Cut yourself some slack. You only have one you, and this demiurge wants to keep you in the fear-based, depressed, lagging slave being. Be thankful and fill up your tank full of love for yourself. Dream wise. Gratitude and solar return to the chaos being, my teacher, Bobby.